It's right here, Hannah. It's like skin.
I think I'm taking a video.
Possibly.
Morgan!
Hey, it's Brian Kachumba.
My brother is outside.
Matrix, you're in a movie right now. Hey Oswald, say something.
Ow!
Is that your real brother? I wish it was a little bit taller.
This is what happens in biology.
I'm little mama. I'm behind a chair.
Biggie.
Can I have my hair on? I can. That one.
Hey!
I got that guy.
What's his name? What's his name?
Morgan.
Morgan!
Dude, we lost, man.
Flag of the United States of America.
Are you Morgan?
That's your brother. That's my brother. He runs away. He is sociable.
Sociable.
Why aren't you doing the nose?
That's just like, you knew?
I like that song, but alright then.
Go. Beep. Ow! You have freaking.
Did you hear that, Meiji?
What? Not really. It only takes an hour video.
Go hit the bong.
Say bong. Bong, ding a bong. Bong, 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 ding a bong, 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 ting a tong.
You got busted.
Paul, can you smile?
What?
Smile, Paul.
Smile for the camera.
Smile, Paul.
I'm
Show
not.
those pearly whites.
Show
Yeah.
me your moves. Your movies.
Your movies.
Smile. Smile.
It's Mardi Gras.
Why do you have absolutely no emotion?
Because he wants to kill everything that walks in.
Why do you want to kill everything that walks in your
You're
pants?
annoying as hell.
I'm not annoying.
Maybe you're annoying. Everything about that?
Are you
Yes,
jealous
buddy.
because I actually have bigger boobs than you?
That's surprising.
Oh,
That's surprising.
You just kind of diss your boobs. Ow! Stabbed me.
oh, this isn't.
Hi.
Why am I staying after class? I'm not staying after class.
Yes, you are. OMG.
He's gonna get Big Will on you. Call Big Will. Big Will is fast. Yeah, I know. If you go to the games, he catches a straight pitch.
Could he catch your boobs?
No. I'm way too fast for him.
You're way too fast for him?
Dude,
Dude, Big Will goes to school 8 times a
once
day.
I'm
my
gonna
mom
like
was
this
running around,
great screen.
What's your fastest running time?
What's your
In cross
speed?
country?
Anything.
My fastest race time was like
half a mile an hour.
26:37.
26 minutes, 37 seconds.
Can you lick your nipple?
What?
Can you lick your nipple?
No.
I can.
Can you lick your nipple?
Smith and Lars Brunk. Please see Mr. Harris.
I love you.